Okay, now we're okay. So while the negative side would like you to believe that the embryos were not human, the fact is that yes, they were taken from blastocytes, but that's still human in the earliest development. Also, they believe that the embryonic cells are needed because there's nothing else like them. However, embryonic stem cell-like lines can be produced by reprogramming adult cells, as we said earlier. And this has made many researchers actually open their eyes and see that maybe embryonic cells aren't needed. And pursuing this technology would eliminate the tissue rejection problems associated with the embryonic stem cells, which also cause high costs associated with therapeutic cloning. Another problem with the embryonic cells was that we're saying is, yes, they may be very versatile, but they're unaccepted for therapy because they spontaneously form tumors when transplanted into the host. Okay, and also, as we were saying before, a new technique was announced in November of 2007 that we could reprogram the adult stem cells that would have many of the same properties as embryonic stem cells. So if we could do that, then they'd be just the same without actually causing the killing. So they could have the same potential without the side effects. And as I also said earlier, one test with the 70 out of 50, or excuse me, 70 out of 100 people were able to get results that could go into 220 tissue types. And if the embryos were great, then there's no reason why there hasn't even been one human use for the embryonic cells, while the adult stem cells have had numerous tests in patients. And a big thing that the negative side was saying is that the embryonic were pluripotent. But however, in recent years, pluripotent stem cells were discovered in various human tissues, like we were saying within the spinal cord and the brain, and various other organs, including the umbilical cord. Yeah, and then also with the new technology, just because we get new technology, that doesn't give us the right to redefine and go kill again just because we feel that we have new technology, so we need to get new cells. Yeah, that's pretty much it.